Hello everyone, welcome to this series on famous villains in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Antonio from his play The Tempest. Introduction. Antonio is the usurping brother of Prospero in William Shakespeare's The Tempest. He is a character driven by ambition, deceit, and the desire for power. His betrayal of Prospero and subsequent actions on the island highlight themes of ambition, treachery, and moral corruption. This video explores the various dimensions of Antonio's character, examining his motivations, his relationships with other characters, and the thematic significance of his actions, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Motivations and ambition. Antonio's primary motivation is his unrelenting ambition to maintain and expand his power. He usurps the dukedom of Milan from his brother Prospero, demonstrating his willingness to betray family ties for political gain. This ambition does not wane throughout the play, as he continues to scheme and plot even after gaining power. In Act 1, Scene 2, Prospero recounts Antonio's betrayal, that a brother should be so perfidious, he whom next thyself of all the world I loved, and to him put the manage of my state. Prospero's reflection underscores Antonio's betrayal and the deep personal and political ramifications of his actions. Deceit and treachery. Antonio's character is marked by his deceit and treachery. He not only betrays Prospero, but also conspires with Sebastian to murder Alonso, the king of Naples, to further consolidate his power. His readiness to commit regicide highlights his unscrupulous nature. In Act 2, Scene 1, Antonio manipulates Sebastian, convincing him to kill his brother. "Oh, that you bore the mind that I do, what a sleep were this, for your advancement. Do you understand me?" Antonio's manipulative dialogue reveals his cunning and the depths of his treachery. Moral corruption. Antonio's actions are driven by moral corruption and a lack of remorse. He displays no guilt for his betrayal of Prospero or his plot against Alonso. His moral corruption is a stark contrast to the themes of forgiveness and redemption that permeate the play. In Act 2, Scene 1, Antonio's lack of conscience is evident. "True, and look how well my garments sit upon me, much feeter than before. My brother's servants were then my fellows, now they are my men." This reflection on his usurpation of Prospero's dukedom showcases his complete moral decay and self-satisfaction. Relationships with other characters. Antonio's relationships with other characters are primarily characterized by manipulation and betrayal. His relationship with Prospero is defined by his betrayal and usurpation, which serves as a catalyst for the play's events. His manipulation of Sebastian further illustrates his ability to corrupt and influence others. In Act 5, Scene 1, Prospero confronts Antonio, revealing his intentions to forgive despite Antonio's betrayal. "For you, most wicked sir, whom to call brother would even infect my mouth, I do forgive thy rankest fault, all of them, and require my dukedom of thee, which perforce I know thou must restore." Prospero's forgiveness contrasts sharply with Antonio's treachery, highlighting the themes of mercy and redemption. Thematic significance. Antonio's character embodies themes of ambition, betrayal, and moral corruption. His actions serve as counterpoint to the play's exploration of forgiveness and redemption, highlighting the destructive consequences of unchecked ambition and treachery. Through Antonio, Shakespeare critiques the corrosive nature of power and the ethical dilemmas associated with political ambition. In Act 3, Scene 3, Ariel, speaking as Harpy, condemns Antonio and his co-conspirators. You are three men of sin, whom destiny, that hath to instrument this lower world, and what is in it, the never surfeited sea, hath caused to belch up you, and on this island, where man doth not inhabit, you mongst men, being most unfit to live. This condemnation underscores the moral judgment against Antonio and his fellow conspirators, reinforcing the play's moral and ethical themes. Conclusion: Antonio in The Tempest is a character driven by ambition, deceit, and moral corruption. His betrayal of Prospero and subsequent conspiracies highlight the themes of ambition and treachery, serving as a stark contrast to the play's messages of forgiveness and redemption. Through Antonio, Shakespeare explores the destructive consequences of power and the ethical implications of political ambition. Antonio's legacy as a villainous and morally corrupt character continues to resonate, providing a compelling exploration of human nature and the complexities of forgiveness. So this was the character of Antonio from Shakespeare's play The Tempest. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.